please just get one chicken? Thank you so much. To start the chicken soup, I am going to dice up this onion that really looks like it's seen better days. And then also dice up the celery and carrots. I don't buy big portions of celery or carrots because it'll just go to waste anyway. And once these have sautéed, I will be making a liter of chicken stock using this powdered stock. And after that, I will throw in this green vegetable medley and then my cooked chicken. This is the diced up carrot, celery and onion. I have seen frozen diced carrot, celery and onion before, but they didn't have any at the shop today. I did look. Here I've got some olive oil preheating in my crock pot. And in go the veg. And I'll be adding in a lot of salt and black pepper. For this chicken stock, it says that I need to dissolve 1 teaspoon with 250 ml of boiling water. So, look at that maltodextrin. Sorry for the sounds, but I'm so irritated by the ingredients. I didn't even think to look at the ingredients of the stock powder. I'm going to go ahead and carry on with my recipe. However, in the future, I think making my own stock and simplifying foods that I buy as convenience foods is going to be a goal and project for me in the future. So it's going to be 4 teaspoons because I want a liter of stock. Okay, these are heaped teaspoons. Maybe I should go a little easier. Okay. Stock. I'm putting this aside for a moment because now what I'd like to do is cut up this chicken. I have not carved the chicken before. I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm also making the chicken soup recipe from my brain. I don't have any recipes, so I'm just winging it. So for lunch, I'd like to maybe have the drumsticks with the spinach and butternut and corn, and then use the breasts for the soup. One thing I do know is that chicken is easiest to take off the bone and shred when it is warm. I don't know what I'm doing. That seems okay. The 2 legs are separated, and now I'm going to shred up the breast. Getting a bowl for the chicken. Yeah, this is shredding so well. So juicy and tender as well. Ow, it's hot. Ow! soup is on the go. It's looking great. The soup is ready and it looks perfect. I'm going to portion this out and this will be lunch and supper for the next few days.